Today's video, we're going to be upgrading the flood lamps, the conventional lights out in the garage, and we're going to go to a new style 3-way directional LED light. Stay tuned. Let's see what these have to offer.
We would be honored if you would join us.
I picked up these lights on Amazon. They were on sale for 29 bucks, and they've got like different ways you can adjust 3 different LEDs. They consume 60 watts each, so they do take a little bit more power to run, but the light that these put out are fantastic. In the pictures that I saw anyway in my father-in-law's garage, he just built like a 60 by 30 foot shop over in Eastern Washington. So this was kind of my max lighting in here before with the side lights going on, these side shop lights. But I still just didn't have enough overhead visibility here. So you guys can see the light output there. That is a hell of a difference, that versus this. Especially when you look on the floor. Like the floor over here is barely lit up at all. Versus everything here is really visible. You can see all the shadows from everything from like the ladder. There's just way more light. Yes, especially like in the engine bay, you can see the light coming from there and actually lighting up this part of the engine bay where I really couldn't see in here before. And you can see on this side here, it's basically dark. So yeah, big thumbs up on these. Let's get the other one in and see what it looks like. I'm super excited. It's going to make my projects out in the garage that much easier. Do a lot of different stuff out here, so having good lighting is essential. In my garage, I've got actually the whole house has GU24 sockets. So I have an adapter that I picked up on Amazon, which is full ceramic and has the GU24 adapter to a conventional bulb. So we can just put that on and get it installed. Alright, I got both lights in now. You can see everything is really well lit up.
And these are pivotable. Once you have them into position, you can kind of move these around and direct the light whatever direction that you want. Pretty cool. Simple, easy design. Mounts up there super easy with that GU24 adapter.
I think later on I'm going to run some more wiring right on the front side of the beam here and here and install 2 more, and I think my shop will be perfect. And then with the side lights and everything, I'll have enough lighting in my garage to easily work.
If you guys would like to follow me on my main channel, I do a bunch of stuff with JDM cars and all types of automotive things. I'll have a link in the description down below for JDM right hand drive.
See the big difference in lighting after the new lights are in over here versus before. These do run at a 65 Kelvin color temperature, so they're a little bit more on the cool side, so they have a little bit of a hue of blue versus like a normal light, which is like 2700 Kelvin, which is more like that yellow ambery color. So I like it. It's bright, it's a clear, clean white, and a little bit of blue in it, but it looks good. All right, let's do a bit of a test now that I've got, it's mostly dark outside. You can see that those just kick on a crazy amount of light. Perfectly well lit in the garage. Enough to see pretty much everywhere without the side lights on. Here's the final test in pitch black with the lights. And you can see this garage is very well illuminated with only these 2 shop lights. So I'd give these a huge thumbs up. And I'll have a link in the description down below if you guys want to pick up a set on Amazon. They're on sale. They're normally $49.99. Got them on sale for 29 bucks. You can't beat it. That's 6,000 lumens on each one. So 12,000 lumens total in the garage versus the lights that I replaced them with only had like 700 lumens or 1,400 lumens each. So this is almost like, this is basically like 9 times as much light. So anyway guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.
Share, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.